Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Intellij Idea on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you need to do is just open up your browser. Then on Google, search for download Intellij. Then just go to the first link. Now from this page, just scroll down. And here you'll find the community edition of Intellij Idea. Just download this. Your download should start. Just wait patiently. There you go, the download has been started, just wait. And after the download has been completed, just click on open file. Click on yes. Minimize your browser. Then just click on next. Select where you want to install it and click on next again. Once again, click on next. Then just click on install. Then just wait patiently, it will install itself. And after the installation has been completed, just check this box and click on finish. Then just check this box and click on continue. There you go. And that is how to download and install Intellij Idea on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.